Algorand's EM810 generally shows an especially descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. As far as Algo support floor, it in a real sense is currently 29 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Algo for the most part rose 4.02% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand truly is buy and buy esteemed at $0.09904 October 2023. In this video we will walk you through Algorand cost examination for new or for exceptionally win week from new and explicitly attempt to answer this much of the time for the most part getting clarification on some pressing issues, facts, which and large is certainly transient cost expectation for Algorand. Certainly is Algo is sort of wise speculation, or so they most certainly thought. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, which especially is very critical. Yet, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Algo specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us especially discuss the by and large current economic situations in an especially huge manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,087,907,108,321, which by and large is genuinely huge. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $29,446,905,696, exhibiting that Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, which truly is very huge. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39%, which really is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 0.41%, coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly shows that Algorand support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they essentially thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span, which basically shows that Algorand in every practical sense is buy and buy esteemed at $0.09904 October 2023. In this video we will all things considered walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what sort of is somewhat transient cost expectation for Algorand, in a real sense, is Algo a by and large wise interest in every practical sense, significant way. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, fundamentally is up by 3.63 and at present exchanging at 53 cents, which certainly is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly is genuinely huge. These occasions explicitly show that the market in a real sense is going in a fundamentally descending course for exceptionally present moment, or so they basically thought. As of now, a sort of broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exceptionally further appearance how market investigation over the last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing this sort of whole digital money market to $1,087,907,108,321, which in every practical sense is very huge. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to for the most part distinguish key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, so Algo basically rose 4.02% in 7 days, which basically is genuinely critical. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become essentially more genuinely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any really further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which merchants generally become move in every practical sense, dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market basically is going in a kind of descending bearing, for certainly momentary in an unpretentious manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The truly current Algorand cost by and large is $0.099. With an exchanging volume of $30,124,171 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely critical. As of now, Algo certainly is somewhere near 2.21% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $783,499,738 United States dollars, so Algorand's EMA10 fundamentally shows a truly descending pattern, which essentially is very huge. Algorand value examination Algo cost examination for 04 October 2023, inside a fundamentally everyday time period, certainly made sense of beneath, which certainly shows what generally brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39%, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. We utilize fundamentally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely basic moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially normal, EMA, to especially break down the future development of the Algorand. Exhibiting that Algorand value examination Algo cost investigation for 04 October 2023, inside a by and large everyday time period truly made sense of underneath, which in every way that really matters, shows what basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39%, or so they explicitly thought. The Algorand fundamentally has in every practical sense, break all its generally upholds levels, and things especially are not looking certainly great for the crypto market, showing that help basically is a level at which purchasers truly become certainly more sort of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any very further in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, fundamentally bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively basically take Algo cost beneath the vital help level of 29 cents. Which truly shows that right now, a kind of broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, further appearance how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,087,907,108,321, or so they sort of thought. While Algo's Williams %R pointer especially is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal in every practical sense is all things considered conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that moreover. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an extremely enormous way. The Algo United States dollar moving certainly normal union and disparity MACD marker really is showing a present moment in a real sense, sell most certainly signal as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath all things considered. Signal line which sort of means in a real sense bears generally are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting how Algorand support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. The fundamentally relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Algo coin most certainly is close over